What if I told you this isn't just a 1967 Mustang, it's a $274,900 American masterpiece packing a 430 horsepower Coyote V8? Stay with me, because this fastback is unlike anything you've ever seen. The 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback is already one of the most legendary muscle cars ever built. It represents the golden era of American performance, a time when bold styling and roaring V8 engines ruled the streets. But every once in a while, a build comes along that completely redefines what a classic Mustang can become. Today, we're looking at an extraordinary 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback GTA Restomod, a professionally built masterpiece that perfectly blends timeless muscle car heritage with modern engineering. Finished in an eye-catching cherry red exterior and priced at an incredible $274,900, this isn't simply a restored classic. It's a handcrafted dream machine designed to impress both on the road and on the show field. The moment your eyes meet this Mustang, it's impossible to look away. The deep cherry red paint flows beautifully across every curve of the iconic fastback body. Every reflection highlights laser-straight body panels, while the aggressive stance instantly tells you this is no ordinary classic. Adding to its authentic appearance is the distinctive GTA badging, paying tribute to one of Ford's most desirable performance packages from the late 1960s. Yet beneath that vintage appearance lies an entirely different beast. Open the hood, and you'll find one of Ford's greatest modern engines, the legendary 5.0-liter Coyote V8, producing an impressive 430 horsepower. This engine delivers modern reliability, instant throttle response, and exhilarating performance. Unlike the original engines from the 1960s, the Coyote provides smooth power throughout the RPM range while maintaining the unmistakable soundtrack that Mustang enthusiasts love. Backing the engine is a durable 4-speed 4R70 automatic transmission, offering effortless cruising, quick shifts, and dependable performance whether you're driving through city streets or stretching its legs on the highway. Power is sent to a legendary Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with 3551 Posi gears, providing outstanding traction while perfectly balancing acceleration and highway comfort. But horsepower means very little without a chassis capable of handling it. That's where this Mustang truly separates itself from ordinary restorations. Underneath sits a premium Roadster Shop custom frame, one of the most respected chassis manufacturers in the Restomod world. This modern foundation dramatically improves rigidity, handling, ride quality, and overall driving confidence. The suspension features fully adjustable coil-over shocks, allowing the car to maintain an aggressive stance while delivering exceptional cornering performance. Front and rear sway bars help minimize body roll, giving this classic Mustang handling characteristics that rival many modern performance cars. Steering has also been completely modernized with power rack-and-pinion steering, replacing the vague steering feel of the original setup with precise, responsive control. And when it's time to stop, massive Wilwood power disc brakes paired with drilled and slotted rotors provide incredible braking performance. Whether cruising downtown or driving spirited back roads, this Mustang offers stopping power equal to its impressive acceleration. Completing the aggressive exterior are beautiful GT40 style wheels wrapped in 245/45 ZR17 front tires and massive 285/40 ZR17 rear tires. The wider rear rubber gives this Mustang exceptional grip while enhancing its muscular appearance from every angle. Move around to the back, and you'll appreciate how perfectly the fastback roofline flows into the rear deck. One of the most iconic silhouettes in automotive history. Even the trunk reflects the attention to detail. A professionally finished trunk compartment, battery relocation, and immaculate presentation showcase the level of craftsmanship invested throughout the build. Custom hood hinges provide a clean, refined engine bay appearance while reinforcing the premium quality of this Restomod. Step inside, and the classic Mustang interior receives an elegant modern transformation. Rich black leather upholstery covers the supportive front bucket seats, while striking red stitching accents perfectly complement the cherry red exterior. The upgraded center console includes practical cup holders, blending convenience with classic styling. A gorgeous wood steering wheel sits in front of upgraded AutoMeter gauges, providing precise information while preserving a vintage-inspired appearance. The addition of tilt steering ensures every driver can find a comfortable driving position. Unlike many classic muscle cars, this Mustang is designed for real-world enjoyment. Cold air conditioning makes summer cruising comfortable, while the upgraded aftermarket audio system delivers premium sound quality whether you're listening to classic rock or today's playlists. Every detail inside reflects thoughtful craftsmanship without sacrificing the timeless character that made the original Mustang famous. Underneath, the quality continues. A brand new fuel tank ensures dependable operation, while the stainless steel exhaust system not only improves durability, but also produces the deep, unmistakable V8 soundtrack enthusiasts crave. Custom headers maximize engine breathing and performance, while the reinforced differential provides strength capable of handling the Coyote's modern horsepower. This isn't simply a show car, it's built to be driven. Whether cruising through weekend car meets, conquering winding back roads, or stealing the spotlight at national automotive events, this Mustang is equally at home. What makes this build especially remarkable is its balance. It respects the unmistakable styling of the original 1967 Mustang while incorporating the technology, comfort, reliability, and performance expected from today's finest performance cars. Every upgrade serves a purpose. Every component has been carefully selected. Every detail contributes to creating one of the finest fastback Restomods available today at $274,900. This Mustang represents far more than transportation. It represents craftsmanship, engineering excellence, American automotive heritage, and countless hours of expert fabrication. For collectors, it offers investment-grade quality. For enthusiasts, it offers an unforgettable driving experience. And for anyone fortunate enough to own it, it delivers the best of both worlds, a legendary American icon reborn with modern performance. The 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback GTA Restomod proves that some legends never fade. They simply evolve into something even more extraordinary. If you enjoyed this incredible build, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another stunning, classic, exotic, or one-of-a-kind automotive masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.